It's truly a historic moment for U.S. soccer, for soccer in general. So for the first time ever, U.S. Soccer has brought both the Women's Players Association, the Men's Players Association together to negotiate.